Let's scrape products data from Amazon.com. Hello and welcome to this tutorial on how to scrape product data from Amazon using ChatGPT. All prompts and materials used in the video are in the description box. To scrap data from Amazon, first go to Amazon.com and then search for your product. For example, I'm going to search for laptops and then select laptop cooling pads from the suggestions. Once the search results appear, wait for all products to load. And then select any product and then right-click and click Inspect. Select IMG tag and press right-click to select Edit as HTML. Copy the class of the image. And then go to Versus Code and replace the IMG class with the one you copied. Now again go to Amazon.com and hover on the title. Right-click it and click Inspect. Again right-click it to edit as HTML and copy the span class from there. Now replace this class with the one in the file. Right-click the ratings, and press Inspect. Find the span tag for ratings. Then again edit it to copy the class. And then replace it with the class in the file. Now repeat the same process for price and replace the class in the file. Now the last final step is to close this inspect bar, and save the page. Just press Ctrl+S. And save it as index in your computer. Now copy the prompt from the prompt file. And go to ChatGPT. Enter the prompt there and press Enter. ChatGPT is writing code. And now the code is complete. Copy this code and then go to VS Code. Create a new file and name it as app.py. Paste the code there. Then here enter encoding UTF-8. Now this code is ready. Just save it by pressing Ctrl+S. Open Python and type Python space app.py and hit enter. You can see a new file is added to the VS Code. Now open this data.json file.
Right-click to press Format Data. Here you go. You have scraped all the products data present on this page. You can simply repeat the process for page 2 and so on. Just remember to delete the original index and data files or otherwise change the file's name in the code. Hope you liked the tutorial. If you liked the video, thumbs up the video. Be sure to subscribe the channel for more interesting videos and hit that bell icon to never miss an upload. Thanks for watching.